Howdy folks. So a while back I bought this Zippo and I swapped it out for the jet insert, and it just didn't work. Right off the bat, it did not work. It works now because I fixed it, but the symptom was I would press down the trigger and the gas would stop at full press. I'd hear the gas come out and then no gas. So simple fix that I figured it out. You have to take this all apart, and there's a unit in the bottom of here, a white unit, and you pull it out and there's a screw underneath this. I made a spacer that goes right here so that when you put it back up in there, between the casing and the unit, it keeps the unit more down. The issue was when I was triggering, it would get all the way down and cut the gas. So my fix was leave this side screw out, because that's what the alignment issue is. If I put this screw in right now, it won't light. It's funny. So you have to put a little spacer in here. I took a soup can lid, I cut it into a C shape, and I put it around the screw. I hope that helps. If I get interest in this video, I'll make another video and I'll actually take this apart and do it again for you guys. But we'll see how far this video gets. Thank you.